Welcome to the Fortrezz emergency water shutoff valve demonstration. Here I have set up a clear PVC tube piping with a water pump underneath the black casing for your visual effect to see water flowing through the ball valve. First I just want to show you the components we have here for the demonstration. We have a 1/2 inch brass ball valve. You can get a 1/2 inch valve, a 3/4 inch brass ball valve, a 1 inch, and also a 1 1/4 inch. Depending on your application, you can interchange the valves with the casing.
In this demonstration, we have clear piping with red colored water for effect, a wire water detection probe, and a remote water sensor. First mode of operation is to operate the valve locally at the valve by pushing the open or close button. You can see that there are 3 buttons. Right now the indicator light shows green, meaning the valve is open. By pressing the red close button, the valve will close. Open the valve again by pressing the green open button. The yellow mode button will show you the status of the valve in the Z-Wave network. Right now the valve is installed into a network, so you will see 2 quick flashes. If it were not installed in a Z-Wave network, the indicator light would flash 4 times. In the case of a complete electrical power loss to the valve, you are able to operate the valve manually by the included lever on the back side of the casing. Now you can see the valve is closed. Once power is reconnected, you can operate the valve electrically by pushing the open and close buttons. Included with every valve is a wired water leak probe. This allows for leak detection at the valve or nearby. This sensor will work regardless of whether the valve is installed in a Z-Wave network. As you can see here, dip the probe into the glass of water and the valve will automatically close. The valve may also be operated remotely. For this demo, we are using an iPhone with the VR application. I open the application to view my devices. Then, by pressing the on button, it will cause the valve to close. I can reopen the valve by pressing the off button. Again, one more time to clearly show this feature. The valve is also intended to communicate with the remote water sensors throughout the home. Here we have the Fortrezz water sensor. With a damp sponge, I will trip the sensor into alarm mode. This will send a command to close the valve. After a short delay, you should see the valve close. Another application for this valve is to be used as an irrigation device. We do not have this set up in the demo, but you can set up scenes to open and close the valve at a set time and date intervals, as your application requires. It is good for use in sprinkler systems, indoor gardens, and large water system networks where one wants to individually control the water flow.